Ever feel like your time, energy, and even money just disappear without you realizing it? You're not alone. The truth is, it's not about luck or talent, it's about your daily habits. And today, we're going to fix 5 bad habits that might be quietly holding you back. Let's start with the first one, endless scrolling. You open your phone thinking it'll be just 5 minutes, but suddenly an hour is gone. You feel tired, distracted, and you haven't done anything meaningful. That's the trap. The simple fix? Put the phone down and take back control of your time. Now, habit number 2, eating junk all the time. It feels good in the moment, but later your body feels slow, your mind feels foggy, and your energy drops. What you eat directly affects how you feel and perform. You don't need to be perfect, just start making slightly better choices every day. Habit number 3, procrastination. You keep delaying important tasks, telling yourself you'll do it later. But later turns into stress, and stress turns into panic. Instead, try this: start small. Just begin, even if it's messy or imperfect. Progress matters more than perfection. Habit number 4, constantly comparing yourself to others. You look at someone else's success and feel like you're falling behind. But what you don't see is their journey, their struggles, and their starting point. Comparison steals your confidence. So stop looking sideways and start focusing on your own growth. And finally, habit number 5, doing nothing and waiting for motivation. You sit around, waiting to feel ready, but that feeling rarely comes. Meanwhile, your tasks pile up, and the pressure keeps building. The truth is, action creates motivation, not the other way around. Just take one small step, and the rest will follow. Remember, change doesn't require big, dramatic moves. It's about small actions, repeated consistently. Track your progress, stay focused, and believe in yourself. You are stronger than your habits. If you quit these bad habits and replace them with better ones, your life will start to change in ways you can't even imagine. Your future depends on what you do today. So start now, take that first step, and don't look back.